Warning: the outside ends of the left and right top channel frames are not tightened securely. This allows for adjustability regarding different widths among gondola types. Proceed with caution when assembling. However, do not tighten these fasteners until unit is completely assembled. If there is no space to slide the doors into the tracks fully assembled, continue with the following instructions. Pull the base deck a few inches away from the pegboard. Place the bottom of the back door in the back track. Have the front of the door facing you. The front of the door has the black channel at the top. Align the two holes on top of the door with the posts on the wheels while keeping the bottom of the door in the track. Make sure the arm of the locking mechanisms on the holes are open at this time. Now that the unit is almost completely assembled, tighten the fasteners on the ends of the left and right top channel frame. The fasteners are located on the ends of the rails with the head of the screw facing up.